Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We've got another unboxing. No idea what's in here. Whoops, probably shouldn't have dropped it like that. Yeah. Thank you. Here we go. So it's a shaving soap. Lavender and frankincense sandalwood. Goat's milk. Really good ingredient. Haven't had a bad goat's milk soap. There it is there. So pretty eye-catching, isn't it? Yeah, it smells real nice. Now, that'll come up at a future date. That's the card that's been sent. Whoops. There we go there. Make everything by hand and use organic ingredients. Please let me know what you think of the item by leaving a review on the Etsy shop. No problem, Emma. Well, if that's not personalised customer service, there's no such thing. Let's put that. Oh, hang on a sec. Okay, I just had a phone call, so it's going to split the video up. So I know what's in this, and it's from a fella who, I'm in this group of people who, a little club I suppose you call it, all razor enthusiasts. And he was selling a few razors, and this one is, it's a Gillette, but it's an interesting Gillette. It's a tech. I don't collect a lot of techs unless they're just in mint condition. It's from Andon. Nicely packaged. Get the rubbish out of the way. Apparently this was a Canadian issue. I've always wanted one of these. I couldn't believe it when it came up. So I'll just a couple of old blades there. This is part of the handle, as you can see. Yep. Oh, so it's just a real short handle. Wonder what that does. So that's it. I see. There we go. Maybe this turns around. Now we've got it. I wonder if that can be replated. There it is. So it comes in this little Bakelite holder, which looks pretty cool. There's the back of it. The triangles. It goes in there like that. Oh, it screws together. Perfect. Wow. wonder if people used to dump blades down on that. So very nice. Okay, I hope you found that interesting, as I did. Who's that? Isn't that the Rabbitohs? I'm not really into rugby league, so pretty sure they're the Rabbitohs. It's got me. Come on. Just carefully slicing around here so I'm not slicing me. Hopefully I've done enough. Now I do know what's in this box, but I want to share it. Lots of plastic and peanuts. This seller does pack really well. Even looks like bits of leaf and stuff in there. Some bubble wrap I can reuse. I've got to be careful with this. In fact, I think we're going to have to use scissors. And there we have it. This is amazing. So this is a just to fit in the camera picture. There we go. So these are Permasharp, vintage Permasharp razor blades. Mentone, Victoria. That I'd say is where it was. The cardboard was printed. Doesn't give much away. Let's see if we can pull one of these out, and we can. Permasharp Triple Life. Not really sure how old this would be. If anyone out there knows, just drop a comment. Yeah, this is a full box. So I'll definitely have to give some of these open up a tuck and have a shave with the blades, see what they're all about. 20 packets of 5. Isn't that very cool? Look good in the collection, and hopefully they're really nice to shave with.